Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipescom and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how simple it is to cook hamburgers in the Ninja Foodi, and even better, how to cook Ninja Foodi Hamburgers and chips as we call them, or as you might call them fries, together at the same time. They're absolutely delicious and perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at Recipescom. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe. To start this recipe, you want to be peeling your potatoes for your fries first. You can of course do skin on fries, but for this recipe I decided to peel them. Oh look, I've got some really bad potatoes here. You never know what you're going to get when you're buying your potatoes, do you? I got them from a supermarket. I don't really like that much, but I was in there anyway, and I don't like it because a lot of their produce is a bit rubbish. But we're serving these hamburgers with fries, so you don't need a massive batch of fries. And the idea behind this recipe was my husband was in the office working, I was in the house with the kids, and I just wanted a quick and easy lunch for us. The kids already had something of their own to eat, and I thought I would try doing burger and chips together in the Ninja Foodi to see how it turned out, and it was absolutely delicious. And I thought it would be great for a video for if you're new to the Ninja Foodi and you just want a quick hamburger and fries recipe, then this is for you. And you could use this same recipe with any type of air fryer. Though of course you might want to reduce your cook time slightly because the Ninja is a bit slower cooking compared to say the Philips air fryer. And then once you've peeled them, you want to cut them into chips. Or do you call them fries where you live? You always have a bowl on hand because it's so much better to mix your chips in a bowl with your extra virgin olive oil and any seasoning first, because then it gets an even cook and they're so much nicer that way. And then once you've done your last potato and they're all chopped into fries, it's ready for any seasonings and some extra virgin olive oil. You don't need a lot of extra virgin olive oil when you're air frying, which is fantastic because it keeps the calories down. And I love some oregano and some salt on my fries. And then once you've added your ingredients in, give it all a good mix in the bowl. You want that even coat of the extra virgin. And you'll have that lovely colour from whichever seasoning you've used. If you like Cajun, then check out Recipescom and obviously our other YouTube videos because we've got a fantastic one for air fried Cajun fries. And then once you've done that, it's time to load them into the air fryer basket. Then make sure they're nicely spread out so that you'll get an even cook. And then place the lid down on our Ninja Foodi, making sure you're using the air fryer lid. And turn on your Ninja Foodi and you're looking for the air fryer button. And then once you've clicked on the air fryer button, take the temperature down to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and you want a cook time of 15 minutes. The idea is that we are giving the fries a good cook first before adding the burgers. And the air fryer has done its first 15 minutes, and as you can see you get a lovely crisp on them on the top, and you just want to move them around a bit with the spatula. And now it's time to add in your burgers. So what you can do is you can do it one of two ways. You can just have your fries or chips just like that and then place the burgers on top. Or if you don't want the fats from the burgers going on your fries, then you can move the fries to one side. I personally prefer the burgers on top, but like I say, it's all about personal choice. The burgers we are using today are just some supermarket turkey burgers, and I think the ones on the blog that we featured are actual veal. So it's just totally up to you. You can mix and match whichever burgers you want. Just note that mine are not that thick here, you know, so you may want to increase your cook time if you've got a thicker burger. It just depends what size of burgers you are using. And then place the lid back on the Ninja Foodi and it's ready to air fry with the burgers. Now set the time and temp again. You want to put it back on the air crisp again. You want to set the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then the cook time to 8 minutes. This may not seem like a lot, but we're going to then be flipping the burgers and continuing on the cooking. And we've baked. So now let's take a look, shall we? Oh, and as you can see, these fries are almost done. The burgers just need flipping and it's coming on nicely. So just flip your burgers so that we can get some colour on the other side. Make sure none of the fries are stuck to the basket and you're ready to go. Now we're going in with an extra 5 minutes cook time, but we're taking the temperature down to 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, because we don't want to overcook the food. And we're done. Let's check on them, shall we? Oh, wow, those burgers look absolutely fantastic. Let me just grab you one so you can see. And just like that, perfect hamburgers thanks to the Ninja Foodi. And then of course you can plate them up. On this occasion I'm doing them for the little ones. So I've got my little ones' plates out for them. And then you can have a look in the bottom and you can see the fries are fantastically crispy and perfect for serving. And it's just a great way to do a quick burger and chips for dinner. You know, save the money compared to how much it costs at the grocery store to go and buy, you know, burgers and chips already made, or how much it costs you to eat at McDonald's. And of course you can control the quality of the burgers that you're serving your kids. You can give them fries that have got a lot less calories in them. You know, it's just a win-win. And of course you're cooking both items together in the air fryer, so it's saving you a lot of time and you've got no stress at dinner time. And there you have it. We've obviously got a few chips left over, but it's just perfect for a quick dinner for your kids when they come home from school. And this is the Ninja Foodi burger and chips. Them chips are absolutely delicious. And if you don't like the seasoning that we've put on ours, just swap it for your favourite seasoning, because chips in air fryers taste so much better when you season them before cooking them. And as you can see, the burgers turned out perfectly too, and it's just perfect for a quick dinner in the Ninja Foodi.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.